Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney, and today I have bargain finds. I was really excited because I've always been looking at videos of people going to Burlington and finding amazing things, and I see things on Instagram of people finding amazing things, and every time I go there's nothing. This time there was so much, I had to control myself, and there was somebody else buying everything, so I pretty much had to like go against their way to find stuff. But I'm really excited that I have an actual Burlington haul with actual stuff. So let's hear all about it. Let's start with the first thing, the thing that I'm wearing, which is this Mickey Mouse hat. Right here, so it has a tag. I literally put it on right now. So I got two of them. There was only two of them. Originally, they are $30, but at Burlington, they cost me $4. And there was only two, and I decided to buy them because we're gonna go as a family, and I figured my dad would probably end up wearing this, and maybe my brother or my husband or someone would end up wearing one, and somebody would end up wearing another one. And for $5, I mean, you can't beat it. They're literally selling them right now at like Shop Disney, so I don't know how these guys ended up there, but I snatched both of them. The next thing I got is, oh wait, there's three hats. I snatched three hats. I snatched three of them. The next thing I got was this Mr. Toad's hat, which I don't know if I'll keep. I got this for my husband. If he doesn't like it, maybe I'll do a giveaway or a return. Not a lot of people like Mr. Toad. He really likes the ride, the Mr. Toad ride, or he used to. I don't know if he does anymore because it wasn't as fun, but it says Mr. Toad's Auto Repair right there with the number 71. It's one of these mesh hats. He rarely wears these, so I'm really like, I don't know, I took a gamble. It says Walt Disney World on the back. It's very, very cute. At the parks, I have no idea how much it costs. I just know it's from the parks because of the tag. Hold on, put it against the light. At the parks, it was $27.99, and then it cost $4.99 at Burlington. Most of the hats are $4.99. Just like these guys are $4.99, and they're all in the hat section. There were so many different hats. There's like Ariel hats and vacation hats, but I didn't get those because I didn't like them. The hat that I did like for myself is this hat. It's very simple. It just says, "What up, dog?" or "What's up, dog?" Yeah, "What up, dog?" Right there, and it has little Pluto. I just really like the color of it. I like this like simple, very simple color. You can't really tell it's Disney until you get up close. The back is really, really cute. Again, it says Disney World on the back. And then it has this little puppy mark. I'm not a puppy. I'm not a dog mom, but I am a cat mom. And I do like animals. I really got into them. So it was just great. Just simple hat that I can throw on. I don't like the sun. It was $27.99. But at Burlington, it was $4.99. So awesome hat. Yeah, so excited. I don't think I'll ever wear this to a park. It's not very like park for me, but it's definitely like, oh, I'm gonna go for a jog, or I have to stand in line outside because it's hot. I don't know. And then the last thing I got from there, I feel like I got more. Was that it? The last thing I got from there is this plate. There was a couple of these. I only got one because I only need one. And then I was like, this cannot be a giveaway. It's way too big to be a giveaway. But again, it's from the Disney Parks collection. It's right there. I actually saw it at the Disney Parks when I was shopping back in the day. It was $5.99. I'm not sure how much it cost originally. It doesn't have the original tag. But it's just a cute serving plate. I know there's another set that comes with shot glasses. This one did not come with that. But I think this would just be a cute serving plate. Even if I just put my silverware on there. I always have an issue when my friends come. I always forget to take out forks and knives. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just have forks and knives laid out on here. And napkins, like just an easy grab. And it's cute. And we recently went on a Disney cruise. If you haven't seen the videos, go watch them. They're amazing. Well, I think. But they have Animator's Palette. Is that what it's called? Animator's Place. A restaurant in the cruise, and we loved it. So this kind of reminded me of that. I feel like this is something the cruise would have for like your bread basket or something. So yeah, overall not bad. Everything was around $5 for Disney. It's great. Like I said, there was another person there buying things, but she went straight for the plushes, and she had like a bunch of plushes, and I think she had pins, and I was like, dang it, she was too quick for me. But I'm really excited that I actually found things, and then I'm gonna keep going to this one and check it out. But yeah, really exciting. So that's my Burlington. And then the other part of this bargain haul is from the store called Bookmans. Now, Bookmans is a reused book store. They exist here in Arizona. There's some in Phoenix, some in Tucson, and they are amazing. Let me know if you ever want a walkthrough, because there's so much stuff, and obviously it changes all the time. So Bookmans, you go and you sell stuff, or you don't have to. You can go and sell stuff, and then they either give you cash or credit, and you can use it towards their stuff. So everything in there is nice, because it's kind of like recycled items. We've yet to spend actual money at the store, because we always sell our old books, sell our old, they like buy books, action figures, movies, CDs, games, game consoles, cameras, pop figures, dolls, like it's getting crazy. So this is just everything we bought. We went to 2 of them because I had enough time to like clean the house, so we had enough things like piled up together that we wanted to sell, and I got rid of a lot of my teacher stuff, so we took it to sell and we got cash back, or a credit I should say, and I also get my teacher discount, which is 20%, so everything was 20% additional. So let's get started. It's gonna be random, it's gonna be pins. The most random thing I got is this. They are chopsticks for beginners, which is moi. I know it's embarrassing, but I never learned how to use them. And it's not because my family didn't use them, it's just I never learned how to use them. I didn't like anything that wasn't Mexican food growing up. So I really never dabbled with these. And now that I'm an adult, we go to like Chinese restaurants, Korean restaurants, Japanese restaurants, like where you use chopsticks, man, what's up? Chopsticks. And I don't know how to use them, and it's so embarrassing to be an adult who's like, wait, hold on, what? Can I have a fork? I'm always like at my lowest moment when I ask for a fork. So no more. I'm gonna learn how to use them using this, and then hopefully eventually I can take off my training wheels and I'll be perfect at it. We also want to go to Japan, and I really will be mortified if I have to ask for a fork in Japan. All right, the next thing I got, and that was $4 with 20% off. The next thing I got was this pair of socks. So amazing. I love socks too much. I have too many socks and not enough feet. But these are Harry Potter socks. They are in the age, kind of like the sweater. This reminded me of, yeah, it's called sweater socks. But they reminded me of the print that he gets from Molly's sweater that she makes them. I was really looking for Ron ones because Ron is my fave. But there was no Ron ones. There was just Harry Potter. And they're really cute. They have like the sticky bottom, so you can wear them like at home. I don't know if I want to wear them at home or if I actually do want to wear them out with like my school uniform. I mean my Harry Potter uniform, not that I actually go to school, but they're really soft. It has like a nice padding. They look really nice quality. And these were $12. And it says each purchase helps to fund literacy programs and book donations to communities in need. So that's awesome. But $12 seems expensive, 20% off, but it's all credit. So it's not like it's actual money. That's how I see it. Is that how I should see it? I don't know. And then the last things that I got this little Ravenclaw sticker for my friend for Christmas. I'm gonna put it in the little bag. It says Raven Paw, which is funny because she is a cat person and we call her Cat, and she's recently got into Ravenclaw, so it's just excellent. She is in some of my videos. If you watch some of my like Universal Florida videos, that's where she discovered she was no longer a Slytherin but a Ravenclaw. And then I did get 2 pins, but I'm gonna hold off on pins and then just show you one more thing, and then we'll just do all pins because there is quite a bit of pins. I did go pin crazy a little bit. Is that it? Okay. So I got my friend, same friend, this little bag. And if you see this kitty, that's on you. But I got her this little bag. She loves, oh, what is the brand called? I don't remember, not the brand, but the producing company. Anyways, I love this movie. She loves this movie. It's from Kiki's Delivery Service. It came out a long time ago. I saw it when I was in middle school, but they had this cute bag. And I don't know that she'll wear it. I think it'll be cute if she does, but it's going to be just cute decoration, even if it's just in her classroom, just plop. Or if she takes like her snacks to work. I don't know. I don't know what you'll use it for, Kitty, but It has like this cute little slice right here and then over here. It was originally, or I should say, it cost $24, which again seems pretty high, but again, I have the 20% off and I have the credit, so I don't feel like I'm like crazily spending money. And we saw this later at a Japanese consignment store that we went to, and they were selling it for $35, so I actually got a bargain. But let me know if you ever seen the movie, and if you haven't, go watch it. And then finally we have pins, which I'll have to do a close-up of. But the first pin I have is this Stitch USA pin right here. I really liked it just because, one, it's Stitch, two, it's the Olympics, which I think is so cool. It's from the Olympics 2004. It was $6.50, which is a great deal for a pin, even if I just wanted it for trading. The back of it has just the Walt Disney World Disneyland stamp on it on the back, and it does come with a little backer, and it's so adorable. He's so cute. So I got that guy. The next pin that I got is Chip 'n Dale, which is so weird for me because I am not a Chip 'n Dale person. I don't even know that I've ever seen anything of theirs. Like, I don't think I've seen a show or a movie. I know they have a movie, right? Rescue Rangers or something? I don't think I've ever seen it. But in the Disney cruise, they were so funny that they became one of my favorites, and they were really good dancers. Oh my gosh, were they good dancers. This one was actually $5.50, so it was $1 cheaper. Again, it says hidden Mickey pin for a 4. Huh, interesting. So it must be for my collection. I'm not really a pin collector until recently, but it's just a Christmas one. Like, how perfect is that? And it's just Chip 'n Dale. I don't know which one's which. You'll have to let me know. I always forget if the red nose is Chip or Dale. The next one I got is this one that costs $4, which is a great price for a pin. So actually, I should have put them, I'll put them like this, otherwise I'm gonna forget when I do the close-up for you guys. So it is Duffy Bear in a little navy suit. Oh my gosh, so cute. Again, perfect. We had just gone on a cruise, and it just seemed like the perfect match. And for $4 with a 20% discount and credit, I just couldn't not get it. And then the backing looks original. Again, I am not an expert in pins, but I kind of know what to look for to make sure that they're like legit versus like, I don't know, randomness. And then the last one that I got at that particular Bookmans was this one that was $9. It's just a Mickey. This one was harder to get out. It's just a Mickey pretzel. So it's just a pretzel in the shape of Mickey. I just love snacks, and I like Mickey. And again, for, oh, this one was $9. I didn't even notice. For $9, and that's a little more expensive, but he's just really cute. Just little Mickey, little pretzel, delicious. And then the last two pins I actually got at a different store, and what's really interesting is that both stores have them for different prices. And this one's in a baggie, so this one's gonna be harder for me to take out. I'll take it out for the close-up. But this is Miss Piggy, $5. Again, not a Miss Piggy fan. I've never been a Miss Piggy fan, but we recently watched the Muppets Haunted Mansion, and I started liking the Muppets again. And then I just like her ears. Like, she looks so amazing with those ears. This is probably going to be my only Miss Piggy item because I don't necessarily gravitate for her. I like Pepe, but she's just like darling, and she was $5. So yes, really cute. And then the last one that I was so excited about, you guys. I am so excited about this one. It is from Disney Paris. If you don't know my story, you need to go back and watch some of my videos. But we went to Disney Paris. I was not, I hadn't had my channel yet. I was not a collector of pins yet. I really did not collect that much merch, honestly, before I started my channel. And we went to Disney Paris, and I didn't buy a single pin. Not one, not zero, like zip, no pins. I bought no pins. And I've regretted it since, and I'm like, okay, it gives me a reason to go back, but I just keep regretting it. Anytime I see any vlogs about Disney Paris, I'm like, oh my gosh, why didn't I buy any pins? But I found this pin at the store, and I was like, okay, it's the Eiffel Tower. Nice, very nice. And then it's only $5. It's a mini print, which is fine. I'm not really a mini person, but I don't hate the print. And then I started looking at it closer and closer in the back, and I noticed that it said Disney Paris, and I was like, heck yeah. Heck yeah. So I got it. So excited. I think it's my favorite from the bunch. Or maybe Chip 'n Dale. I really like Chip 'n Dale too. And then Brendan bought this. This is not a pin, but he explained to me that it's something for golfing where you like put it on the ground or something and you put the ball there if you don't have a tee. I don't know, that sounds completely wrong. But it has like this little dabble and it came in like this little fancy box. I have no clue. If you know what this is, let me know because he explained it to me and I don't know that I want to ask again. But yeah, that was my quick haul. Whew, that was not quick. I'm sorry. That was as quick as I could get it. I hope you like my bargain haul. Where do you go looking for Disney bargains? I know that's something that I'm really into now that there's no Disney stores. I hate the shipping because I can't really return it. So it's very rare that I buy from actual Shop Disney. So now I'm looking for places that I can buy from locally. So what do you do? How do you like overcome it? Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. We're growing and it's just exciting any time I meet a new subscriber. So yeah, don't forget to do that, please. And then thank you for watching. I hope you have a magical day. And until next time, adios.